This is what I'm gonna call the early design Strauss Hill Trunnion Bascule Bridge. And you see, you got the red line right there on the operator strut. It shows that the strut is fixed to the Counterweight bridge tower, and the operating machinery is mounted on the back scale span. And then I'm gonna show you when it's fully raised. You see how it's raised. Yep, it's up through the span, and I'm gonna show you what it says. It says in this earlier design, the strut moves into the span, and you can see the machinery housed on top of the movable span. Now, this is the pictures I had took when I was at in Ashton Building, and then I'm gonna show you the early design movable bridges of the Strauss type from 1910 to 1915, and then I'm gonna show you some of them is still in service and in use, and some has been removed. So let's get started. Now this is the early design Strauss Hill Trunnion Bascule Bridge in my drawing, and it's located in Ashtabula, Ohio. Now this bridge is duplicate to the first one, and I'm gonna show you in a minute though. But the bridge is a Hill Trunnion type worn through truss with all verticals, built in 1911. The Bascule Bridge was also built by the New York Central Railroad, and it owns by Norfolk Southern and Lakeshore and Michigan Southern Railroad. Let me show you something. How it is raised and lowered. You see, it's raised. Now this bridge is lowering. It's lowered, see? Now this bridge is about to raise. Now this is the Norfolk Southern Railroad Strauss Hill Trunnion Bascule Bridge, located in Port Clinton, Ohio, built in 1915. And let me show you when the bridge is raised. Yeah, the bridge is raised, and I'm gonna show you when the bridge is about to lower. You see the boats going over this bridge, and I'm gonna show you it's about to lower. See, the bridge is lower for train traffic. Yeah, this bridge is still in service for train traffic. Yep. First four-track bridge ever built. That is Erie Railroad Bascule Bridge for us, and Erie Lackawanna Railroad Strauss Trunnion Bascule Bridge was built in 1911 and was removed in 1985 due to a lightning strike. When this bridge was abandoned since 1970. I'm gonna show you some pictures. You see? You got two equal towers on each end of the Bascule span. And the counterweight is spaced out, so yeah, higher above the tracks. Now this bridge is about to go for trains because it stays lowered until it raises for boats, so it's about to lower. You see this bridge is lowering. It's lowered. This bridge is about to raise. And for boats to come through. Yeah, it's raising. Yeah. Now this bridge abandoned since 1970. You see, the U.S. Central Furnace was removed before this bridge was removed in '85. Now this is when the two equal towers is gone, and you see that the orange concrete counterweight, orange rust counterweight is high above the track. So look at the details of it. So yeah, so this bridge is removed. It's no longer there. Yeah, so it's located in Cleveland, Ohio. Now this is the first Strauss Trunnion Bascule Bridge. It was built in 1910 for the New York, New Haven, and Hartford Railroad, crossing the Cape Cod Canal, located in Bourne, Massachusetts, on Buzzards Bay. The first Strauss Trunnion worn through truss, built in 1910, and this bridge was replaced by a vertical link bridge in 1935. Now this bridge was duplicate in Ashtabula, Ohio, and that bridge is still in use and still in service. So that's his twin in Ashtabula, Ohio, was built in 1911. Now this one was built, the first Strauss Trunnion Bascule Bridge was built in 1910. And New York, New Haven, Hartford Railroad, Lost Bridge in the Cape Cod Canal. So I'm going to show you how the bridge is raised and lowers. Look at this. You see, it is the first bridge. And I'm going to show you when it lowers. See, the bridge is lowered. Yeah, you see the machinery is on the Bascule span and the strut is fixed to the Counterweight bridge tower, right? So, yep, in it, both the one Ashtabula and the first one is run by 265 horsepower DC motors. So, see, show you like when it raises. See, it's raising. See, it's raised. Yeah, so this bridge crosses the Cape Cod Canal, located in Buzzardsville, Massachusetts. Now this one is replaced with a vertical lift bridge in 1935. Now this is a Pereira and Pekin Union Railroad Strauss Trunnion Bascule Bridge. Was built in 1911, and it was replaced with a vertical lift bridge in 1983 or 80, yeah, to 85. Crosses the Illinois River, located in Pereira, Illinois. All-hill Trunnion Bascule Bridge, although built as an early design, with the machinery installed on the Bascule span and the struts pin fixed to the Counterweight bridge tower. Built in 1911, replaced in 1983 to 1985. And so, let me show you when this bridge is lowered. See the bridge is lowering? It's lowered. It's lowered, you see? Yeah. So, see? Look at the details of this bridge. And you see the shanty right there? Now this is the Pereira and Pekin and Union Railroad Strauss Bascule Bridge, located in Pereira, Illinois, was replaced with a vertical lift bridge in 1933 to 1985. So now this is the Baltimore, Ohio Railroad Strauss Trunnion Bascule Bridge. It was built between 1912 and 1914. It was destroyed by collision in May 6, 1988. Baltimore through Trunnion Bascule Bridge, built in 1912, 1914, destroyed in 1988, leaving but a counterweight, abandoned to be on the railroad. So look at this right here. See, look at this. Yeah, this bridge was in service until 1988, and I'm gonna show you what happened. See. See the bridge is raising. So this is a 235 feet bridge. And look at the shanty right there. See? This is like when when the Blues Brothers had took a picture right near there, in 1980, and they had a quote: "They're not going to get caught with the other Michigan guy." See, the bridge is lower for train traffic. Bridge is raised. Then up close, detail of the bridge. Right there. You see the detail of the operating strut fixed to the Bascule span, and the Counterweight bridge tower, and the machinery is mounted on the Bascule span. What happened was this, after the quote, you see the ship behind it. Now, this bridge was left like this, and it hit it, and it tore the span off of supports and left nothing but a counterweight. So, and I'm sure the end result of this bridge, without no span, because it tore it off, and then it fell into the river, the Cayman River. You see the end result of that? Boom. Yeah, that's what happened. Yeah, so still there, it's been there ever since. So now it crosses the Calumet River, located in South Chicago, Illinois. Now this bridge is only a counterweight because the span was ripped off with support in 1988 after the Blues Brothers quote, "God is not mocked." So now this is in Chicago and Western Indiana's Strauss, Strauss Hill Trunnion Bascule Bridge, crossing the Calumet River, located in Chicago, South Chicago, Illinois, and was built in 1912 and replaced it between 1940s and 1968. ANC and it's by Torrance. So let me show you. See, look at this right there. The machinery is mounted on the Bascule span and the strut fixed to the Counterweight bridge tower. Early design. You see? Bridge lowering. Closed position. Bridge is raising. It's raised. Yeah, this bridge is no longer there. It's replaced with vertical lift bridge, which is abandoned now. This is 1968. So now it crosses the Calumet River, located in South Chicago, Illinois. Now this is a former Southern Pacific, now Pacific Electric West Basin Railroad Strauss Trunnion Bascule Bridge. It was built in 1912 and removed in 1955 because of ship that ran to the bridge, and then it was damaged. So, and it was unrepairable, so they had to remove it. So, Pacific Electric Railway, Southern Pacific Railroad, it's a Baltimore through Trust, similar to the one in South Chicago, Illinois. Bascule Bridge over the West Basin, Trunnion Basin. And so, I'll show you like when it raises and lowers. You see the train is going over this. The transit's going over this bridge. It's raising. Yeah, the boat's going over this bridge. After that, this lowered. Now this bridge is lowered. And the rapid transit is going over this bridge. Yeah, so there you have it. Now this bridge is no longer there. You got the shanty on the right hand side, so it's removed in 1955 across to the West Basin, located in San Pedro, California, going from Wilmington to Los Angeles, California. Now it was built in 1912, and it was destroyed and removed in 1955. Now this is HX, former Erie Railroad, Strauss Trunnion Bascule Bridge, built in 1911, and it's used by the New Jersey Transit Line Railroad. Crosses the Hackensack River in Secaucus, New Jersey, and it's still in service, it's still in use. New Jersey Transit Line, Bergen County, and across the Hackensack River. So, I'll show you when it lowers. See, the bridge is lowering for train traffic and rapid traffic. Train is going over it right now, so and then it's going to raise for boat and barge traffic. It's raising. Now it's raised. And the trains and rapid is going over this bridge, and it stayed lowered until ships and boats come through, and then it raises. It raises again for boats and ships. Yeah, this bridge crosses the Hackensack River between Weatherford and Secaucus, New Jersey. Now you only got two highway Strauss Hill Trunnion Bascule bridges in the United States. Like this one is removed. Now this one was built in 1913, and it struck out of alignment in 1916 by the Italian spender and rebuilt. It was rebuilt and then replaced 1931. I'll show you. Across the Sabine River or Canal, located in Neches Canal and Port Arthur, Texas. Now it's lowering for traffic, highway traffic. Now it's lowering for highway traffic. And then when boats and ships comes, it raises. Yep, it raises. Yeah, it's raised to a full open position. See? Yeah, this bridge was replaced with a long double leaf Bascule bridge in 1931, and now that's gone. Now it's located in Port Arthur, Texas, across the Sabine Neches Channel or Canal, Pleasant Pier Highway. So.